Hello class and welcome to week 13 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053, you will be working on the GREAT module, which is also what you're working on in English 101. In English 101, you're working on your annotated bibliography for this week, and in ACLT 053, you're going to be doing some reflections on the process of your writing that you're doing for the annotated bibliography. So you're doing a little bit of pre-writing. So you were to choose a popular artist in a genre you enjoy, whether it's music, film, literature, fashion, technology, or some other area of creative innovation or expression. Now, I'd like you to connect the information from the sources in from your annotated bibliography to the questions from the GREAT assignment prompt below. So some things I'd like you to answer are, what has this person contributed to the career, to his or her career? What have they contributed? Why is their contribution valuable? And then I'd like you to apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as the representative of an entire genre of creativity? And explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre, like the way Klosterman argues that Sousa represents all of marching band music and Bob Marley represents all of reggae. So I'd like you to really respond to these questions from your research and your annotation, your annotated bibliography. And make sure to organize your ideas in about 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Include a direct quote or paraphrase example from the sources, and include a works cited entry as well. Afterward, please respond to at least 2 peers. And then, at the end of the week, you will be doing your reflections, your Module 4, Week 2, Reading and Writing Reflection. How do you connect with what you've been learning about, what you've read about, how have you been challenged, what did you used to think and what do you now think, and so forth. I hope this was helpful.